Let's read and spell the words. A can. Can. C-A-N. Can. Paper. Paper. P-A-P-E-R. Paper. A plastic bottle. Plastic bottle. P-L-A-S-T-I-C. B-O-T-T-L-E. Plastic bottle. Rubbish. Rubbish. R-U-B-B-I-S-H. Rubbish. Mike and his family are having a picnic at the zoo. We must tidy up all our rubbish, says Mrs. Chan. Mike picks up a plastic bottle. There is no more juice. I can put this in the rubbish bin, says Mike. No, your plastic bottle can be made into something new. Put it in the brown recycling bin, says Mrs. Chan. What about your can? Does it go in the same recycling bin? Mike asks his mother. It can be recycled too, but cans must go in the yellow recycling bin. Says Mrs. Chan. This is fun. Lots of rubbish can be made into new things. There is a recycling bin for paper too, says Mike. Mike picks up some paper.
Not that paper,
says Mr. Chan.
It is not rubbish. It is your ticket for the animal show this afternoon.
Let's play a game. In pairs, show your partner different things. See if your partner can name the things. Those that can be recycled, put them in the correct recycling bins. Let's say rubbish, paper, a can, Listen to the sound of the letter C. Say it. C. K. C. K. Let's say the words that begin with the K. See. can. See, cow.